Can you travel through to the future inside a black hole? Can you go back in the past using a black hole? Can our planet ever run into a black hole? Well, to begin with, what even are black holes? According to NASA, black holes are a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. No, it's not a hole. It's essentially formed from the explosion of supernova or massive stars, which give birth to a place which has maximum gravity and maximum density. But we need not only need a star or its explosion to form a black hole. We can form a black hole right here from this air. The only condition being it's the densest object in the universe and can have an exceptional gravitational force which is maximum. Einstein, for the first time, came up with the concept of black holes and called them singularities, which was later dwelled into by many scientists. The first black hole discovered was Cygnus X1 in 1971, which was discovered and researched upon by many scientists individually. Well, that's about what are black holes. But what if you fell into one, right? I mean, your body would go through a process called spaghettification. What that really is your body will compress itself and form into something like a string of spaghetti. As a matter of fact, when you fall even deeper, you'll reach the center of the black hole where you'll become non-existent. Every particle, even to the smallest atom, at this point will be compressed enough, violating the principles of conservation of energy. Now, here's the interesting part. Can you visit the future through a black hole? Apparently, yes. As you move closer to the event horizon, let's say you have a clock by you, time will start getting slower. You might spend only a day and that would be equal to a week or a month on Earth. Time can really be played with inside the black hole. That is only though if you survive the intense spaghettification and don't get compressed because of gravity. Enough about the future. Can you get to the past using a black hole? Yes, absolutely. According to the Kerr-Newman metric, basically a set of mathematical equations theoretically establishing the relation between an event horizon and time. The only way you can get to the past through a black hole is if the black hole doesn't have an event horizon, and that in turn is only possible if the black hole spins really fast, defining no boundary to itself. So to get to the past, you need the black hole to spin fast enough so that the event horizon doesn't exist. Now here's the catch. When the black hole doesn't have an event horizon, it's not called a black hole. It's just assumed to be what we call a naked singularity. So technically, no, you cannot get to the past through a black hole, but we can say surely, using the motion dynamics of a black hole, we can for sure travel back to the past. And that's pretty much it about black holes. If I satisfied your space curiosities, why not watch a video of mine on philosophy? That's about it for this video. Watch more of our videos and own the room the next time you speak.